In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background effect to text or elements in Canva. To get started, open your Canva design and take a moment to locate the text or element you want to edit. This could be a headline, a short phrase, or another design element that you want to make stand out a little more clearly. Once you've found it, click directly on it, so Canva knows that's the object you want to work with. Selecting the correct item first is important because the editing options you see will depend on what you have highlighted. After that, move your attention to the top toolbar and click on Effects. This is where Canva groups together different visual styles that can change the way your selected text or element looks. If you don't immediately notice the change options, just make sure the correct object is still selected. The Effects panel is the main place where you'll customize the look of the background styling. Inside the available effects, choose Background. This option adds a colored shape or highlight behind your selected text or element, which can help improve readability and create more visual contrast in your design. It's especially useful when your text sits on top of a busy image, a patterned layout, or any background where the words need a little extra separation to be easier to read. Once the background effect is applied, you can begin adjusting the settings to match your design style. Start with roundness, which changes how soft or sharp the corners of the background appear. Then adjust the spread, which controls how much space the background takes up around the text or element. You can also modify the transparency to make the effect more subtle or more solid, depending on the look you want. Finally, choose a color that fits your design. A contrasting color can make the text pop, while a softer tone can keep the overall design clean and balanced. As you make these changes, try to think about both appearance and function. The goal is not just to add decoration, but to improve the overall look while keeping everything readable and cohesive. When you're done, preview your design and check whether the effect complements your overall style. Look at the spacing, the color balance, and how naturally the background sits with the rest of the layout. If needed, make small adjustments until everything feels polished and intentional. That's it. You've successfully added and customized a background effect in Canva.